Sometimes life feels too heavy. You wake up, try to keep moving, but your heart feels empty. You search for answers in every direction, in every plan, in every person. Yet deep inside, there is a whisper you cannot ignore, a quiet voice urging you to pause. This is the moment Allah wants to speak to you. He is trying to remind you of something important, something that can change your heart, your day, and maybe even your life. Life tests you in ways you cannot explain. You feel lost when things go wrong, when dreams slip through your fingers, or when loneliness weighs on you. It is in these moments that Allah's message is the clearest. He wants you to know that every struggle is not meaningless. Every tear you shed carries a weight that reaches Him. Every unanswered question, every silent prayer, every feeling of being unseen, Allah sees it all. And He wants you to remember that you are never alone. Sometimes, His message comes through silence. You might sit quietly and feel an inexplicable peace in your chest, or you might feel a sudden strength when you thought you could not go on. These are His signs. He is speaking to you not in words, but through feelings, through moments, and through reminders that life is bigger than your worries. Allah wants you to trust Him even when the path is unclear. Trust does not mean life will be easy, but it means your heart will find rest in Him. Look around. The small joys you take for granted, the warm cup of tea, a smile from a stranger, a kind word from someone you barely know, these are gifts. Allah is telling you that He is present in these moments. Life is not only about the storms, it is about noticing the quiet blessings that sustain you. He wants you to see the beauty that surrounds you, even when the darkness feels overwhelming. And when you feel broken, remember that healing begins when you let go of the weight you cannot carry alone. Allah wants you to surrender your fears, your doubts, and your pain. He wants you to speak to Him with honesty and humility. There is nothing too small or too big for Him to hear. He wants you to know that your heart, even in its cracks, is worthy of His love and guidance. So today, pause. Listen. Open your heart to the message He is sending. It may not come with fireworks or announcements, but it will touch your soul in a way nothing else can. Allah wants you to feel hope, even in despair. He wants you to take the next step forward, even when it feels impossible. And He wants you to trust that your story is being written with care, with wisdom, and with love. If you feel this message in your heart, hold on to it. Let it guide your day, your choices, your words. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, every time you pause, reflect, and turn to Allah, you invite peace into your life. You invite light into your heart. And you remind yourself that you are never truly alone. If this touched your heart, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more reminders that inspire and uplift. Allah's message is waiting for you every day. Listen closely.